Let's have a look on parallel connections where it is applied. So we have 12 panels. So we're going to put 3 per string to get to 150 volts per string. So there's the first string, and here's the second string, positive to negative. In series, you add the voltage, the amp stays the same, positive to negative. The second one, there goes the third one, all the same, positive to negative. Volts add up, amp stays the same. And yeah, here we go again. And there's certain reasons for parallel connections. It might be your MPPT, could be shading. There's quite a few applications. So yeah, here we do the normal one. We're going to do another one with the cross connection. So yeah, so we connect it up. Now we're going to go into the combiner box. You see the long wires. That's why we're going to do the cross connection afterwards. Into the MCBs or the fuses. You parallel that there. So the 2 strings comes up and you're going to parallel it basically into the 1 string. So there it goes per string, 150 volts and 10 amps. And then you're going to, while you parallel it, it's going to become 20 amps, and your output is going to be 40 amps. So we're going to look at the cross connection afterwards. I hope it helps. Slow it down if you want.